Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. So that's number one. I'll also mention that this process will remove screen lock, so if you have one set that you just don't remember, don't know, then you can get rid of it this way. But there is one little caveat to it. So if you are logged into a Google account or Samsung account or both of them, once the process is finished, then the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is when you go into the setup of your phone, you will need to verify one of the two things, either your screen lock or the Google/Samsung account that was signed in on this device. Now, typically I would be making a video on how you can bypass this, but because at the time of recording this I haven't found any, then I'm just mentioning this right now so there is no kind of misconceptions. Now in the future there's a chance that there will be a method to bypass this, but at the moment of recording this there isn't one. And just to go into the settings and show you what kind of security patch I'm using, because that is what matters here. So about phone, and it's going to be in software information, I think. Yep, security software version, so there we go. So that's the one that I'm using, released January 2023. So at the time of recording this security patch, I have no way of bypassing it. Anyway, let's just lock the device, there we go, and then plug it in. And once it's plugged in, if you don't know your screen lock, you will need to hold power key and volume down to forcibly reboot the device. Because if you try to turn it off normally, not this, if you try to turn it off normally, as you will see, it tells you to draw a stupid pattern to turn it off, even though it's completely useless considering you can achieve the same thing by holding power key and volume down. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now when holding those two keys, I do recommend, let me just quickly get back to it. I do recommend interacting with the device just so the screen doesn't actually time out. So you can actually see, when the screen turns off, it actually will, there we go, turn off. Then switch to power key, volume up. And when you see Galaxy, specifically the word Galaxy, you want to let go of the power key. Samsung Galaxy. Try it again. So I guess I'm gonna let go right away. Okay, so there we go. So you don't even need to wait for the Galaxy, just let go once you see the Samsung logo on the screen. This takes you to recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you wanna scroll down to wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Then select the second option, so just volume down, power key. And at the bottom you should see data wipe complete after like a couple seconds, and reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again. There we go. This will initiate a reboot and continue factory resetting the device in the background. Now, because of this, it will take the device a tiny bit longer to boot back up, so just know that this is completely normal. Now, I'm gonna let it run through and come back once the setup screen is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.